Crime Scene Investigation, CSI. It refers to the systematic examination of physical evidence from a crime scene with the goal of identifying, collecting, and preserving evidence to reconstruct the events of a crime and to provide evidence for legal proceedings. This process is performed by forensic scientists and crime scene investigators using various scientific and technical methods, including photography, fingerprint analysis, DNA analysis, and others. The goal of CSI is to obtain objective and scientific evidence to support or refute the various theories about what happened at the crime scene. Crime Scene Investigation, CSI, is a crucial aspect of criminal investigations that involves collecting, preserving, and analyzing physical evidence from a crime scene to determine what happened and to identify potential suspects. The process of CSI can be divided into several steps. Securing the scene. The first step is to secure the crime scene and prevent any contamination of evidence. This involves establishing a perimeter around the crime scene, controlling access, and ensuring that everyone entering and exiting the scene is documented. Initial assessment. The crime scene investigator will conduct an initial assessment of the scene to get a general understanding of the situation and to identify potential evidence. Documentation. The crime scene is documented using photographs, videos, sketches, and written notes. This includes capturing the overall scene, as well as close-ups of specific areas of interest or evidence. Collection of evidence. The next step is to collect physical evidence from the crime scene, including biological evidence, trace evidence, and physical objects. This is done using various techniques, such as vacuum and brush collection, swabbing, and the use of specialized tools. Preservation and packaging of evidence. Once collected, evidence must be properly packaged and labeled to ensure that it remains in its original condition and is suitable for laboratory analysis. Laboratory analysis. The collected evidence is then sent to a laboratory for analysis, where forensic scientists use a variety of techniques, such as DNA analysis, fingerprint analysis, and toxicology testing, to determine its significance. Interpretation of results. The results of the laboratory analysis are then interpreted and used to develop a comprehensive understanding of what happened at the crime scene. Overall, the goal of CSI is to obtain objective and scientific evidence that can support or refute the various theories about what happened at the crime scene and to identify potential suspects. It is a complex and time-consuming process that requires technical expertise, meticulous attention to detail, and a thorough understanding of forensic science. Crime Scene Investigation, CSI, is important in law because it provides critical evidence for the prosecution and defense in criminal trials. Physical evidence collected from the crime scene can be used to establish key facts about a crime, including the identity of the suspects, the time and location of the crime, and the manner in which the crime was committed. The importance of CSI lies in its ability to provide objective and scientifically sound evidence that can be used in court. This evidence can be used to build a strong case against a suspect, or to discredit the prosecution's case. For example, DNA evidence collected from a crime scene can be used to connect a suspect to the crime, while the absence of DNA evidence can support the suspect's claim of innocence. Moreover, CSI can also play a crucial role in exonerating individuals who have been wrongfully convicted. Advances in forensic technology have allowed for the re-examination of physical evidence from old cases, leading to the exoneration of individuals who were convicted based on faulty evidence or faulty eyewitness testimony. In conclusion, CSI plays a critical role in the criminal justice system by providing objective and scientifically sound evidence that can be used in court to establish the facts of a crime and to determine the guilt or innocence of a suspect. It is an essential component of a fair and just legal system.